welcome back to Pine City Apiary. Today we're going to keep on winterizing the hives. Alright, got the hole plugged up. Alright, maybe one more on the top there so mice can't get through. No. Okay, I'm sorry. You had it upside down. Alright, so that is the mouse guard, mouse protection, and we got 2 holes plugged up. We're going to go do the same thing now to hive face. Missed again?
Yeah.
Is it not shooting bullets or is it just missing?
I just keep missing.
Is there staples in the
Yeah.
hive? Okay.
I just keep missing constantly. What the? Who the heck? Why do I keep missing? Hungry.
Got one? Alright. I'm taking the spinner things off because this hive has had a couple years now where it's got frost inside, and I'm thinking that that is part of the problem, that the moisture is seeping through there. So let's get that off of there. Can you stand on the other side though?
Again.
Alright. See if this will go in there. Too small?
Yeah, too small.
Alright. How about one of these? That work?
Kind of crooked.
Wheels?
Too. I hear them.
Alright. Pull that out. Put that,
That
screen.
one?
Yep. Put the screen down.
Pull this out.
Yep. Put the screen down. Don't get them too upset. Remember what I said about we got to kind of work fast?
I need to see it put down now.
Okay, now I would put the entrance reducer on to hold it in place. All right, and then staple it. Do the other side first because it's already closer.
Ah. Okay.
You know what? We also got that little
This.
sure, or the other way, either way. I guess I would go with the pointy side down. Good job. Good enough. All right. So they can still get in and out of there, and no mice, I hope, can get in there.
Nope.
All right.